So this tutorial is for Leeland's Lion and the Lamb. The original is in B. Our band plays it in G because we can't sing in B. So we start off with that intro hook, which we're starting on the 5th fret, G, the root, going up whole steps. So 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 10, 9. And then kind of the fun part of the hook is we're on the 12th fret D string, 12th on the G, 10 on the B, 12 on the B, back to the 10th on the B, 12th on the G, and then so kind of. And then we're going to set out for the first verse and the first chorus just to keep it clean. And we'll play the hook again to get into verse 2. Verse 2 is a lot of fun. We're just subdividing with the root and we're throwing in the A. So we're on the 5th fret D string. And then kind of a fun little walk down, which is 7th fret G, 4th fret G, 7th fret D. So that's verse 2. Chorus. We play it we just play this G bar chord, and we play it through the G. You're going to have like the 1 chord, the 6 chord, 4 chord, 5 chord. We stay on this G even through the A minor. And it seems to work really well. So here would be your minor 6, your E minor, 4, so the C chord, 5, D. To get into the bridge, we're just playing this A bar chord, just not gendering it. Just kind of smooth it over to get into the bridge. We'll sit out for the first bridge. Then when the bridge comes back around, we have another fun little walk part that follows the melody. And we're starting on the 7th fret G string, 5th fret D string, 5th fret G string, 4th fret G string, 7th fret D string, 4th fret again on the G, and then 7th on the D, 5th fret, and it just follows the melody. And then the last time to get us into the fun hook before the kind of like a down chorus, I guess. We're going. Sitting out, and then we're just playing our bar chords again for the chorus. Your D, and then we end the song, get on the hook. So I hope that was helpful, and hope you have fun with it.